Hey guys, so this AI agent automatically replies to your business emails. If a customer has some inquiries and they try to reach out to you using your email address on your Gmail or something, so this AI agent automatically replies uh, to that email. So let's get started. So first, let me show you the demo version. So what? So we have three categories. Let's say we have three categories. We have priorities, billing, and support. So let me show you the billing version because support and priority version are a little complicated. So let me go through a simple billing, uh, the billing version. Let me show. Basically, I want to show you how it looks, how the agent replies if a customer has some inquiries. Okay, so let's start. So I have two accounts. So I will send a simple billing inquiry to my main account, which is connected to my agent. So we will simply ask billing, I want my refund for the product I returned. Let's keep it simple. This is just an example. So I've sent this email to my main email address. So here it is. So I just got the email from my other account. So let me execute this, and here it is. So the customer wanted to ask that I want a refund, and this was the result. Thank you for reaching out. We have received your request for refund for the product. Our team will process it shortly and get to you with an update. Best regard, Karan from Webulo. So this was the basic overview how the agent will work. Okay, this was for the billing, and we also have something similar to for a priority part if something is extremely urgent. And this thread is for the support. If a customer has some kind of inquiry related to policies, product pricing, and stuff, this is for that part. Again, you can go as deep as in depth you can, as complicated as you can, but this is the basic structure I created. So let's get started. I will explain to you extremely simple, and we will go extremely slow to understand how this is working. So we will start with a basic Gmail trigger. Just go over here and search for Gmail trigger. Hold on, sorry. So it's right at the bottom. It's one message received, and we will keep it for every minute. Just put in your credential. I will not go through how to put in credential. You can just search for some other video. Just put in your credential and put every minute. And over here the event should be message received. Then we will connect it to our text classifier. And over here, the first thing we will put is the text. So we want this classifier to understand what kind of message we got from our customer. So this is a text. Basically, this is the email that we have got. So if you come over here in the schema and type text, you will find this under your Gmail trigger. So this is the text. Sorry. This is a message. Where is it? Okay, it's over here. This was the message, and you just drag it from here to here. Okay, these are called variables if you are not aware about it. So then we will set some categories. You can go as many categories as you want. So I just kept it super simple. So we have support, billing, and priority. So for support, for every category we have to briefly explain what this category is about. So this categories. This support category is for, this is for support for inquiries. This is for what services we offer or what is our return policies. And for the billing, we have, this is for billing related return, refund, and invoices. And this is for the priority, like if you want some urgent, immediate work. And over here, we have a simple system prompt template. I just wrote, please classify the text provided by the user into one of the following categories and use the provided formatting instruction below. Don't explain, only output the JSON. Okay, if I didn't put this instruction, so this the classifier will start operating on the category, on the description. So we don't want that, we just want a simple output. And once you do that, we will connect, you will find these the categories. If you I just put 3 categories, so I have 3 dots. If you have 2, if you have 5, it will show 5. If you have 2, it will show 2. Then we will connect our classifier with an AI model, of course. So I just I've connected a simple OpenAI chat model. And again, put in your credential. I will not go through it, how to put in. Then choose your you choose your model, whatever model you want. And then we will start connecting our Gmail. Okay. So this is for the labeling. This is for the labeling what type of category we are getting from the classifier. So just click over here and type in Gmail, and we have this label, add label to message. Just connect every thread to the label. Put in your credential, choose message and put add label. And over here we have the our ID. So you will find ID in Gmail trigger. So it's over here, it's at the top. Just drag from here to here. And over here it's quite important to put in what type of ID we have. We have to put some kind of label, you have to put the category. So this is for the support category, and we will duplicate this. And again we have this billing, and over here we have, of course, priorities. Okay, rest everything will be same for all of these Gmail nodes. Then we will connect our agent. So let's start with the bottom one, the priority one, because this upper one is quite complicated. We will cover that in the end. So connect your Gmail. After connecting your Gmail, you have to connect your Gmail to AI agent. Okay, so we have to choose define below, and over here we will choose a simple prompt message. So okay, so this is for the email. Let me fix this quickly. This is the email we have gotten from, this is the custom email. So just drag from here, address from here to here, and this is the message, just here. Okay, so just put in these 2 variables, and over here we are going to choose a system message. So if you don't see this, click on add option, you will find a message called system message, and we will choose expression. Choose expression and click over here to expand, and this is a basic instruction for the AI agent. So I just wrote that you are a customer support representative named Jarvis. Your job is to respond to customer inquiries in a friendly and professional manner. So we will connect a Gmail tool later. Using this tool, you will send an email reply to a customer. Always sign off as Karan from Webilo, as we saw this over here. And rules are keep the email concise and short and to the point. Just simple as that, nothing too complicated. And we will connect our AI agent to chat model again. So I just chose the same exact AI chat model. You can choose a separate one as well. I just chose the same one for every agent. It keeps me, it keeps me organized. Then we will connect our tool with our Gmail. So this is a draft email. So go over here and click and type Gmail and choose create a draft. Okay, so connect that to here. And over here, let me fix this quickly. Okay, so put in your credential, set this automatically. Everything should be same exact it is as a default setting. Create, and over here for subject, you will see this thing. Just click over here and text, and again you will find the same thing over here. And this is the this is a thread and two emails. So these two are quite important. Don't try to ignore it. Don't try to avoid it. So this is a thread ID. You will find your thread ID over here. If you click on the first trigger, your Gmail trigger, you will find thread ID over here. Just drag from here to here. And of course, this is the email address to what email are we going to reply, what email our AI agent is going to reply. So if you don't put this, the customer will not get their message. So that's it. So this same thing goes for the billing as well. The only thing which is different, the only thing that you have to change is the system message. So over here again, I just told that customer might ask for the billing inquiries, and I just connected the same chat model to the OpenAI chat model over here. And over here again we chose a Gmail, same settings, same, everything should be same, and that's it. So these two are pretty much same. Over here, this is a support inquiry. This is for the support. So customer might ask different inquiries related to our business. So we cannot put everything over here. The data might be extremely long, like 20 to 30 pages long. We cannot put everything over here. So we want some kind of RAG. We want some kind of data that is connected to our agent, so that our AI agent can go through that vector data, and according to that, based on that data, AI agent can reply to our customer. So let's start with the basic stuff. Let's start first. We need to make a vector store so that we can put our data into it. So we'll start with a simple manual trigger and connect it to our Google Drive. Okay, so if you don't know, just click over here and type Google Drive, and over here we will see a download file. So connect your manual to Drive file, and over here we will put in your credential file, and over here this is a download option, and over here these are all the files you have in your Drive account. Once you put in your credential, you will find all the data. So this is a hypothetical business I made using a ChatGPT. So this is basically a Photoshop service-based academy, which teaches you Photoshop, graphic designing, and Photoshop mastery. We also have prizes, minutes. We also have FAQs and stuff, special offers. So just a basic hypothetical answer. So just connect your your Drive to your PDF. Then we will connect a Pineco vector store. Just type over here Pineco vector store. And over here, let me explain to you how to connect this. So create an account on Pinecone. Okay, Pinecone, this is the website, Pinecone. And over here, you will go to database. And over here you will find index, and click on create index, and over here you will find something like this. Just name whatever you want, drag this from left to right, and you will find manual configuration. Click on it, and over here you you have to put this number. Just put in your 1536. These are dimension, and rest everything has to be same exact as it is. And click on create index. And after you do that, after I already have one, so you will find something like this. This is your index. So we have to connect our index to our pinecone. Okay. So for that we have to choose, of course, API. So click over, go to your pinecone and click on API keys. Click on API, name whatever you want, create a key, copy that and paste it over here. And that's it. Once you do that, click over here and refresh list, and you will find all the index over here. So mine is already connected. Put 200 over here, and over here we have to write a pinecone namespace. I will tell you later why, but you can put whatever you want over here. And then we will connect our pinecone to, of course, our chat model. I chose OpenAI. Then over here we will choose default data loader. It has to be binary. Make sure to put it into binary. Load all input data automatically and custom. And then we will connect our recursive characters text splitter. So once you do that, click on execute so that pinecone can register your PDF, your business inquiries, your business PDF. So once you do that, your pinecone will have something like this. Something like this. These are all the PDFs we have. Okay. Now we will make a thread for our support. So again, we have to connect our support to our label, Gmail label. Put in your credential, message, add label, and over here we have the ID, message ID. Over here, this one. Just drag from here to here and put in support, because this is a support. And over here we will choose a message model. We will not choose an AI agent, we will use message model. So this is an OpenAI message model. Put in your credential, text message model, choose your model, and over here we will put a prompt message. So we want our agent to understand what type of text we have got, so that in our next node we can understand and we can reply according to that. So name, so I just kept it super simple. You have to put in message, and over here this is the text we have gotten. So this was a text. Where is it? This is a text. Just drag from here to here. And over here it has to be system. Do not put user or assistant. Make sure to use system. And again we have to duplicate this prompt, and we will output the entire message. So if you don't put this, the OpenAI will starts to try to solve what kind of inquiries it is. We don't want that. We just want a simple output. And again we have to we can choose system. I just chose user. Choose simplify output and simplify content as JSON. Then we will connect our OpenAI to AI agent. Now this is the core element for this support thread. Click on define below, and over here we have message again. So let me just execute this inquiry so that I can explain to you how this is working. Okay, so here it is. This is the message. This was the email. Okay, so for that, just go to your Gmail trigger, and again just drag your text from here to here. So if you click over here, you can see the message, the inquiry from the customer we have. And over here we have system message. This is very important. I just kept it super simple. Your task is to analyze the message and go through our pinecone vector tool, which we have connected to our our AI agent, this one. And based on the message received, response a valid answer and create a draft in Gmail 3 tool. I actually had Gmail uh, Gmail node earlier, but I had to remove it because for some reason it was not working. You can just remove it. Don't use this. Okay. Just simple. Just keep it simple. Your task is to analyze the message and go through the Pinecone vector store, and based on the message received, response a valid answer. Just keep it super simple. And this was the output. So our agent went through our vector, and customers was asking about the prices, and these are all the prices. So we will connect our agent to our OpenAI. Again, you can just choose this one to here. You can connect this one from here to here, like this. And we will connect our tool to vector store. Over here, I just kept very simple, retrieve information from Pinecone vector store. And then we will connect our Pinecone, our vector store, to our Pinecone vector store. And over here we have just put in your credential, retrieve documents as vector store. We have to retrieve data from the documents. Okay. And over here, this is the index we created earlier. And over here we have to choose a Pinecone namespace. Okay. This is what I was talking about. You have to choose a Pinecone namespace, otherwise it will not work. So just name whatever you want. I just chose customer support, and you will use the same name for this one. Okay, make sure to use the same. It has to be everything same. The first letter should be capital if you are using the capital letter. And over here, I have also used the first letter capital. Then we will choose a Pinecone to our OpenAI. This is for embedding. And we will choose a model OpenAI. And that's it. So once you do that, we will connect our agent so that it goes through a Pinecone, read our customer's message, go through our Pinecone, and retrieve all the valid data which is related to that inquiry, and then reply to our customer. Just like over here, in both of these nodes, we will choose create a draft with AI agent. So do not choose a create a draft for the tool. It has to be the output. The AI agent has to come from the AI agent. Reply should come out of the output. So click on so create a draft, put in all the credential, draft, create a subject line. For subject line you can put anything you want. I just kept it very simple. And over here we have to choose text. Make sure to choose text. And over here this is the reply. Okay, let me expand this. So this is the reply. Our prices for services at Academy is this 119, 179 and stuff. So this is exact same stuff. If you want to make sure, you can see 119, 179, 75. So over here we have to choose again. We have to choose thread ID. Go over here, drag thread ID from here to here, and over here this is the email. This is the customer's email, so that agent can reply. So if we go back and go to our draft, you can see the message. This is exact same message that we have got over here. So you can go to your draft message and see if you want to change anything. You can change and you can just send it. If you don't want to draft, and if you want agent to simply just send it, just send the email, just you can choose a different, sorry, you can choose different Gmail model, Gmail tool. Like instead of creating a draft, send a message, reply to a message. Okay. So instead of if you don't want to create draft and simply you want AI agent to simply send the message instantly, just instead of using the draft, just put in reply to a message, and that's it. So this was a very simple. I try to keep it super simple. Agent to reply to your customers using email. So if you still have some kind of confusion, just let me know in the comments. And if you want me to create agent for your AI agent for your business, just let me know. I have included my Instagram somewhere on the screen. You can connect me through it. Until then, take care.